Hi everyone. Unless you've been chilling on Mars lately,
That's insane.
That's what's going to save the planet.
you've probably heard of ChatGPT and OpenAI. Well, guess what? The co-founder of that whole thing, Sam Altman, is behind a new crypto project called Worldcoin, and it's got everyone talking. Believe it or not, over 2 million people have already signed up and scanned their eyes. Hi, my name is Lamia, and in today's video we will talk about the Worldcoin. Is it going to become the next big thing or just another VC token with no real use? Let's dive in and see. First, the pros. Financial inclusion for all. Worldcoin aims to create a universal digital identity and financial system accessible to everyone, regardless of location or background. This could be a game changer for billions who lack access to traditional financial service. Human versus AI. Remember all those science fiction movies about robots taking over? Worldcoin use iris scanning to differentiate human from AI bots. This could be crucial in the future where AI become more sophisticated. Proof-of-Personhood. As Simple Swap, a crypto exchange platform, points out, iris scan can also be useful for proof of personhood. This means verifying that users are actually people, not bots or AI programs, which can help prevent spam and other malicious activities online. Transparency. Unlike some shady crypto projects, Worldcoin's code is all open source and that can be verified on GitHub. This allows anyone to see how it works and ensure there are no hidden tricks. Now for the cons. Adoption. Getting billions of people to scan their eyeballs for a new crypto project is a tall order. Will people trust it? Will it be convenient enough for everyday use? Privacy concerns. While Worldcoin claimed to prioritize privacy, the idea of a global iris scanning network raises eyebrows for some. How secure is the data? Who has access to it? This major concern, especially considering the potential for breaches and misuse of such sensitive information. Worldcoin emphasizes that they prioritize privacy, but users will still need to be confident that their data is safe. Token built on ERC20 Optimism. Worldcoin token utilize the ERC20 standard on the Optimism layer. While this allows for scalability and faster transaction, it's important to remember that Optimism itself is not fully decentralized yet. This raises questions about how decentralized Worldcoin truly is in the long run. The decentralization debates. Blockchain technology is all about decentralization, taking control away from central authority and putting it in the hand of the users. However, for this project like Worldcoin to achieve true decentralization, it needs to be in true safe hands. The reliance on a not fully decentralized layer like Optimism right now creates a potential conflict with the core principle of blockchain. Only time will tell if Worldcoin evolves into a truly decentralized system or remain under same level of control. This is a crucial aspect to consider because the entire purpose of blockchain is to empower users and give them the control over their data. How Worldcoin works. The Eye of the Storm Worldcoin unique identification system hinges on a device called the Orb. This orb is a special scanner that captures a detailed image of your iris. It's important to note that Worldcoin prioritizes privacy. The actual iris image is not stored anywhere. Instead, a complex mathematical representation of your iris is used to create a unique digital signature, your word ID. This word ID acts as your key to the Worldcoin network, granting access to its potential benefits. So, is Worldcoin worth the hype? The jury is still out. It's a bold project with ambitious goals, but the challenges are significant. Only time will tell if Worldcoin becomes a revolutionary tool for financial inclusion or just another footnote in crypto history. Is Worldcoin a dystopia or innovation? This is the trillion-dollar question. Worldcoin offers a glimpse into the future where financial inclusion is widespread and AI is kept in check. However, the privacy concern and the reliance on a centralized system raise concern about potential misuse and a loss of control over personal data. Ultimately, whether Worldcoin is a dystopian nightmare or a groundbreaking innovation depends on how it's developed and implemented. Transparency, robust security measures, and a true shift towards decentralization will be crucial for Worldcoins to gain widespread trust and avoid becoming controlling system. What do you think? Would you scan your eyes for Worldcoin? Let us know in the comment below and see you in the next one.